Take command of the road in the 2014 Nissan Juke. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.